city at the hour of 12 at night. Who should I see but the Spanish lady washing her feet by candlelight? First she washed them, then she dried them over a fire of ashy coal. In all me life I ne'er did see such a maid so sweet about the soul. Whack all the tooralura laddie, whack all the tooralura lay. Whack all the tooralura laddie, whack all the tooralura lay. As I went out through Dublin city as the hour of dawn was o'er, who should I see but the Spanish lady? She was weary and footsore. When she saw me then she bled me, lifting her petticoat over the knee. In all me life I ne'er did see a maid so sweet as the Spanish lady. Whack full of tooralura laddie, whack full of tooralura lay. Whack full of tooralura laddie, whack full of tooralura lay. I've wandered north and I've wandered south through Stony Batter and Patrick's Close, up and around the Gloucester Diamond and back by Napper Tandy's house. Old age has laid her arm on me, cold as a fire of ashy coal. But where is the lovely Spanish lady, neat and sweet about the soul? Whack all the tooralura laddie, whack all the tooralura lay. Whack all the tooralura laddie, whack all the tooralura lay. Whose garden was this? It must have been lovely. Did it have flowers? I've seen pictures of flowers, and I'd love to have smelled one. Whose river was this? You say it ran freely. Blue was its color. I've seen blue in some pictures, and I'd love to have been there. Oh, tell me again, I need to know. That forests had trees, that meadows were green, that oceans were blue, and birds really flew. Can you swear that was true? Whose grey sky was this? Or was it a blue one? Nights there were breezes. I've heard records of breezes, and you tell me you felt one. Oh, tell me again, I need to know. That forests had trees, that meadows were green, that oceans were blue, and birds really flew. Can you swear that was true? Whose garden was this? Must have been lovely. Did it have flowers? I've seen pictures of flowers, and I'd love to have smelled one. It was a rainy day I met you, and I let you come and stay with me. In the morning my dreams were swaying. I heard you saying, come away with me. You took me down the highway. You made me watch each cloud. The smoke would rise and clear my eyes. The sky would sing out loud. Now the days are shining brightly. You whispered lightly and you said goodbye. You You said I love you, but I hurt you like a bird. You had to fly, you left me all alone. I thought that I would die, but now I'm on my own, and slowly I've learned how to fly. Now the days are growing longer, I'm growing stronger without your helping hand. I'm bound to find a new love. She'll be like you love and she'll understand. Someday I'll have a son with eyes so big and bright, and I hope the love he gave me helps me guide him to the light. It was a rainy day I met you. It was a rainy day. Now that our mountain is growing, with people hungry for wealth, how come it's you that's a-going, and I'm left alone by myself? We used to haunt the cool cabin deep in our forest so green. Then came the road and the tavern, and you found a new love, it seems. Once I had you in the wild wood. Now it's just dusty roads, and I can't keep from blaming your going on the coming of the road. Look how they cut us to pieces, our ancient poplar and oak. The hillside is stained with the greases that burns up the heavens with smoke. You used to curse the bold crewmen that stripped our land of its own. Now you've changed and you've gone over to them. Learn to love what you hated before. Once I thank God for my treasures. Now like rust they corrode, and I can't keep from blaming your going
remember walking little byways in the mountain and asking myself, could the church ever justify violence? Now, that wouldn't have crossed my mind before I set foot in the Philippines. But when you see abject poverty and children dying of the simplest diseases and a mother crying beside her, you're bound to ask much deeper questions. You have to, if you're human.
Missionary Ráda Cocha, Dalún ag leabharéis an léir TG Cahad.
These two are about to find out what happens when shopping goes bad.
It's horrible.
I thought we were saving money.
They bought too much at a megastore, and now it's a game of best before bingo.
Who's that?
A sorry outcome, so easily avoided at Mace. Mace is local, so you buy what you need when you need it.
Oh, it's your man again.
Just keep walking. Till next time, shop right, shop easy.
Mace, we make it easy.
For every type of home, there's Vodafone at home. Ireland's best value home phone and broadband bundle from just €38 a month. It might be our network, but it's your playground. Call now and get the first 3 months at half price. Vodafone. Power to you.
New bold 2-in-1 rose blush and peony with a touch of Lenore freshness gives clothes an irresistible fragrance that rejuvenates your senses, even if the clothes aren't yours. Enjoy the new fragrance of Bold 2-in-1. Feeling good, feeling bold.
I remember searching for a really fun place to get away from it all. Well, good news. You're already there. Discover Ireland.ie. The fun starts here.
Foot of a parking lot with a pink hotel, a boutique and a swinging hot spot. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone? They pay paradise, foot of a parking lot. They took all the trees, put them in a tree museum, and they charge the people $1.50 just to see him. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone? They pay paradise, put up a parking lot. Hey, farmer, farmer, put away the DDT now. Give me spots on my apples, but leave me the birds and the bees now. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They pay paradise, put up a parking lot. Late last night, I heard a screen door slam, and a big yellow taxi took away my old man. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They pay paradise, put up a parking lot. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They pay paradise, put up a parking lot. They pay paradise. go. There's no one here but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you come and pour yourself on me. If a man could be two places at one time, I'd be with you. Tomorrow and today, beside you all the way. If the world should stop revolving, spinning slowly down to die, I'd spend the end with you. And when the world was through, then one by one, the stars will all go by. Then you and I would simply fly away. I am a roving sporting blade, they call me Jack of all trades. I always place me chief delight in curtain pretty fair maids. So when in Dublin I arrived to try for a situation, I always heard them say it was the pride of all the nation. I'm a roving Jack of many a trade, of every trade of all trades. And if you wish to know my name, they call me Jack of all trades. On George's Quay I first began, and there became a porter. Me and me master soon fell out, which cut me acquaintance shorter. In Sackville Street a pastry cook, in James's Street a baker, in Cook Street I did coffins make, in Eustace Street a preacher. I'm a roving Jack of many a trade, of every trade of all trades. And if you wish to know my name, they call me Jack of all trades. In Bagot Street I drove a cab, and there was well requited. In Francis Street had lodging beds to entertain all strangers. For Dublin is a fiery noun, or I am much mistaken. In Kevin Street I do declare sold butter, eggs and bacon. I'm a roving Jack of many a trade, of every trade of all trades. And if you wish to know my name, they call me Jack of all trades. In Golden Lane I sold old shoes, in Meath Street was a grinder. In Barry Lane I lost me wife, and I'm glad I there could find her. In Mary's Lane I've dyed old clothes, of which I've often boasted. In a noted place, Exchequer Street, sold mutton ready roasted. I'm a roving Jack of many a trade, of every trade of all trades. And if you wish to know my name, they call me Jack of all trades. In College Green a banker was, in Smithfield was a drover, in Britain Street a waiter, and in Georgia Street a glover. In Norman Quay I sold old books, in King Street was a nailer, in Townsend Street a carpenter, in Ringsend was a sailor. I'm a roving Jack of many a trade, of every trade of all trades. And if you wish to know my name, they call me Jack of all trades. Today is the first day of the rest of my life. I arise as a child to see the world begin on monarch wings. and birthday wanderings. I want to put on faces, play in the rain and cold, and look forward to my growing old. To grow old is to change is to be new is to be young again. I barely remember when. My memories are stolen by the morning, blotted out by the sun's hypnotic eye. I'll by the sun's hypnotic eye. Birthday wanderings. I wanna put on faces, play in the rain and cold, and look forward to my growing old. Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She was a fishmonger, and sure 'twas no wonder, for so were her father and mother before, and they both wheeled their barrows through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She died of a fever, and no one could save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone. But her ghost wheels her barrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh.
Agus sin átágus mud sláán le Stáitse achta dúna seo hagan cluisimid Mary Francis Michael agus glúnó Windsor Black ceolna Milan ag idse. Bí lenne te nacht TG Cahir tugan nó réalsaí na sála lé, waibh rindan allá rostarún ag leabhar híise. Sconan le Bob Quinn, contempo an néid a tatagaí ag leabhar híise híneag, agus an sonchar a bhín sé cultar agus ag teanga allantóirí agus cheoltarí mór le rá in nacht scialta damda.
Alla chwaffa, an chéad war eile.
Gan fóch gan faitas as. An datach as nord an sin.
Malone nach céad cót glas. Tuair do muine sé?
Credad na igi cabre cra celte.
RTE Radio na Gaeltachta.
How do I stay feeling young? By stimulating my body, my mind, my curiosity. And when it comes to my skin, I've got it covered with Revitalift. It works. My skin feels firmer. My lines seem to fade.
Enriched with Pro-Retinol A and Pro-Firmal.
Revitalift your skin every day. It makes all the difference.
It's not a facelift. It's new Revitalift from L'Oréal Paris.
We're worth it.
For every type of home, there's Vodafone at home. Ireland's best value home phone and broadband bundle from just €38 a month. It might be our network, but it's your playground. Call now and get the first 3 months at half price. Vodafone. Power to you.
Over the last 10 years, millions of women have chosen Nutrice. Why?
Long-lasting nourishment and better colour.
Garnier Nutrice Cream. Enriched with avocado oil, it nourishes as it colours for long-lasting radiant colour. Trust Nutrice, the choice of millions.
Nourished hair means better colour. Take care.
Garnier.
Bala Yuri Hard the Brigade, Mira Fatistach, Clark and Hinachtansha, TG Cahid. Ceol clásicach agus ceol tradiisianta I bheith fi chabadal ag Bob Quinn is scanan contempo ned I nacht ag I leabhar héise híneag agus ceoltarí agus allantóirí den sco I bheith fi chabadal in sin scéalta damda ag chuig na meideiche de héise dóí ag nacht agus nachcáiligi Leonardo DiCaprio tiatagaí sa scanan the 11th hour I nacht ag chuig na meid héise hían tíreach hé scéal na Hampshire. Achan is tíreach áchláin Rostarún agus déach ráircanna bheith in agran na hí nacht a ghailech an nacht fechanna.